another day. But in this one, we're not working on that guy. We're working on my dad's 69 Charger. And I'm going to go a little more into that because it's not just a 69, basic 69 Charger, a little more done. But before that, we'll do little stuff about, you know, the rally car. But if anybody has, you know, a Dodge Dart, whatever, and has noticed their, what the hell, right? Yeah, air oil separator, that's what I'm looking for. I ended up cutting off the one that I have, and this is pretty much what it looks like. I'm pretty sure these are only on 1.4s, the turbo engines. I don't think they're on the natural aspirated ones, but pretty much this is what it used to be, you know, obviously together. So I ended up cutting it off, prying it, doing my magic, whatever that is. But pretty much I made a diagram. It's kind of hard to see, but there's there's like a port in one corner. So the front passenger kind of corner of the engine, there's a hose that goes over and connects to this breather or this unit. So usually say, okay, if you compare, this is how the engine, this is where it sits on that corner of the engine. I think at a little angle, whatever it is. And this guy in that front corner goes to this guy. And then this guy goes all the way to the air intake. What else? This guy is coming from your, what the heck is it? Intake manifold. There's a little thing, and this guy is a one-way check valve. So air can go out, but air cannot come in to this guy. So pretty much in aspect, when I get a lathe and a mill, what I'm going to do is make a piece that goes in here, and you know, I'll make a video when I do it, but pretty much what I'll be doing is just plugging this guy off, because I don't know, sometimes they did things just, I don't know why they just made it way too complicated. Because I mean, I took this part, looked on what these pretty much valves did and whatnot. And then pretty much the biggest thing is, good thing I didn't suck anything in when I was checking that. I thought I did, but, you know, whatever. Okay. But I made sure this is a one-way check valve and which way air would flow. So pretty much all I need to do, hopefully it doesn't create some weird code or something like that. For this year, I'm just going to buy a new one, because I think this is just getting, you know, wore out, and, you know, things were not working how they should have. Or maybe they were, and it's just a crappy design and a setup. I don't know why engineers are so stupid. It's just incredible. So what I'm going to do is just plug this guy off, and then what I'm going to do is get a 3 fitting Mishimoto catch can that's baffled, because the one I have is not baffled, and I don't think it's working how it's supposed to. So pretty much what I'll do is it has 2 inlets, 1 outlet. So what I'll do is have 1 inlet coming in from one corner of the valve cover, then the other corner of the valve cover, and obviously the out will go to the intake, because that's, you know, pretty much the only thing that's left. And then because this guy's blocked off, that's pretty much all the connections that happen with this guy. But moving on to the next thing, I'm trying to make this quick. I hate making videos so long, it drives me nuts. So I got my package and my stuff, turbo and whoops, that wasn't supposed to happen. I got my things back that I'll show you coated from Jet Hot, and I am very happy with them. It took longer than I wanted to, but most of the thing, it was my fault. It was definitely not on them. They gave me all the information, time frame. It's definitely not on them. I took way too long to send it out because I was spending money on other parts and other stuff. And I just put it off way too long to get it sent out. And I got it back Wednesday or Thursday. I can't remember of the week that just came. So yeah, I'm going to open it up and we'll move on to the car out there. Oh, here it is. I ended up getting black. But this coating is kind of a newer for them. It's the Ultra 2500 coating from Jet Hot. My interpretation, I can't remember. I believe it said it can withstand 2500 degrees, which is nice for the turbo engines and whatnot, and the racing that I'll be doing. So there is that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get all the tools that I need, let this thing charge. I'm gonna check some fuel pressures on the car as well. And then yeah, I'll get back to you. And then also we'll go over the unit as well. It's a Holley unit that we'll be using to change out. Oh, I never said what the hell we're doing. I think we're changing the carburetor that's on it to an EFI, Sniper EFI from Holley unit. So yeah, I'm gonna get all that stuff squared away, get back to you, and show you what we got. Here we go. Okay, so pretty much what we're putting on this thing is this is the 1250 Sniper EFI unit. And again, it seems like everything, I won't be able to completely finish this because I'm going into somebody else's work because there's an electric fuel pump in it, so I got to figure things out. So next week I should have it completely done and running, and I'll show you that. But what this is, give you a little background, it's a 1969 Charger with a 440 stroke to a 505. I thought it was a Hemi 426 stroke to a 527. My bad. Not as fun as a Hemi, but still 700 horsepower. Yeah, I just said that nonchalantly, or is that, I think that's the word, I don't know. Just, 700 horsepower. No, but it's, no, this is, it's gonna be fun. Working on a classic. My dad also got a 68 that's sitting just in front of it too, which is an original car, which I gotta avoid hurting because it's really nice. With that one has a 440 as well, but that's pretty much, factory stock, but it is decently cool. And then hopefully in the future, if everything, goes good and whatnot, have a place to build another 68, but a lot cooler than the one out there. So, yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out, find fuel pressure again. I got to get tools and all that stuff all together. So all I got to do is just grab instead of go around, because I pretty much got to go out the door, go around the garage, and it's pretty much out in here, go out, it's out there. She's sitting right there, and there's the 68 over there. So yeah, all right, here we go. Let me get tools together and get everything done. Okay, so it's the end of the video, and you know, I can't really show you finished until, you know, hopefully next weekend, which is a bummer. But I got a lot done. I took way longer than I should have, but I want to be thorough because this car is not, you know, original. It's not like plug and play. You know, there's extra stuff done, so I, you know, had to be thorough and, you know, think about, you know, certain things and, you know, just go through, you know, some stuff to make sure everything is, you know, correct or can be corrected or, you know, can be whatever. But the point is, yeah, I'm going to end the video in a second here, but it's the end of the day. I finally got my bang. I don't know what happened if nowadays, if the freaking driver decided to quit, it said unexpected delay or whatever the heck it was. I was supposed to have FedEx delivery yesterday, or if it's just, you know, an actual, maybe a truck broke down or whatever it is, but I'm expecting somebody to decide to be petty. I don't understand the world we live in anymore. And I got my board throttle body for the rally car. In this box, I actually, just one thing. Really? Packing peanuts? It's just, really. But I just got my guy here. Oh, there we go. I can't really tell necessarily without, I guess, you know, looking at, you know, the factory one. But yeah, I don't know. I can't completely tell or not. You know, maybe there will be a significant difference when I take the other one off. But yeah, there we go. New throttle body will be going on. I'll probably do that myself tomorrow. It's quick and easy. You know, there's a lot less on the rally car than a factory car. You know, batteries inside the car and whatnot. But yeah, see you next week. We'll get, you know, more stuff done. Hopefully that car out there is running on the new system. We'll just go with the car out, you know, the 69 running. So I'm going to end the video there. See you next time.